Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 14 to share with all of you. This is a cute little box, all packaged up so nice. I cannot wait to open this one. Let's go ahead and see. There are some like jingle jangles going on here, so I'm excited to see what this one is. Let's see. Aya thinks it's pins. And this was my guess. I thought it was ornaments. And I was totally right. It is the other matching set to our ornaments from last year. If you guys remember, we did get red, and I think we got a light blue, kind of like a turquoise color. I can go ahead. Aya's going to bring them down now for me so we can show you. But look how darling these are. These are little, yep. These are from last year. We got the red going on, and we've got the kind of teal blue. All right. And now this year we match our mug from last year, and we match that gray mug that we just got a couple days ago. All right, so these are ceramic. They have Missouri Star on the back. They have that cute little quilt block there, and then of course they have the little jingle bells. Here is the gray one. Aya's got the gray mug. See how it matches. That is so cute. And maybe some of you have the matching plates as well from the first 4 years of the box. I do not. This is only my second year getting this box, but here is this one. Same thing, Missouri Star and the jingle jangles. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to put these on my tree. My tree is still pretty bare. I'd love some more ornaments for this tree. By the way, just so you guys know, I do have a P.O. box that I've had for 2 years now, and I've never had a single item come to my P.O. box. It is so sad. It is Lauren Shumway, or Coffee Cake Quilt Company, P.O. Box 86, Paoli, PA 19301. If anybody wants to send me like a card or just, you know, a hello or anything like that, I would love to get some mail from this channel and you wonderful subscribers. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we have day number 15 to share with all of you. Bye everyone. So cute.